Everybody loves a good loophole. Whether it be in a strategy making or in other fields that would require masterful technique, loopholes are satisfying ways to achieve an end easily and quickly. For today's income generating technique, I'm going to show you a secret loophole. I'm surprised nobody else is talking about this technique because you can earn up to a few $100s without highly technical skills and prior experience. Only a few people know of this technique, and you're gonna be next on the list of people. So continue watching this video. I'll show you and guide you through this super easy and quick way of getting money online. If you think it's too good to be true, don't you worry because it's completely free and works even if you're from any corner of the world. As I've said, no prior experience and skills needed. All you need is a mobile device and an access to internet connection. Then you're all set to start making money online. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. For this method to actually work, I want to introduce you to Moneypantry.com. According to their website, Moneypantry is a finance blog that is focused on helping users earn and save money by giving tips on side hustles and work-at-home jobs, online money-making means, cashback sites, and many more. So this blog will help you learn an array of strategies to make money. Basically, the objectives of this blog are the same with the objectives of our channel, except it's in written form. That's why I want to credit this finance blog because their content is really comprehensive and legit with a lot of useful information. In fact, their content is already categorized into earn money, save money, and freebies. So it's so easy for users to navigate their way around the blog to find whatever it is that they are looking for specifically. Now on moneypantry.com, there is a blog entry that is all about getting paid to write. In this blog post, the author listed 101 sites that will pay $50 to $3,000 for every blog post. So that's why I'm showing you this technique. It is the most lucrative out of all the methods outlined in this blog. I know I mentioned that this technique will require writing, but I also mentioned that you don't need to have any skills to do this technique. I was not lying when I said that. In fact, you don't need to have a good command of the English language, nor do you need any profound writing skills. As I've said, I will be showing you a loophole on how to do this money strategy quickly and easily. So stay tuned until the end of this video. Before we continue, I want to know what your favorite blogs on the internet are. Do you also like health and lifestyle blogs? Or maybe you're into finance blogs like me? There are so many interesting blog posts and articles to choose from on the web that I don't ever get tired of reading through them. Looking at blog sites such as Moneypantry is so interesting to me because I learn a lot. So that's one bonus tip for you guys. As much as you can, skim through articles and blogs to gain more knowledge about the field that you specifically want. Comment your favorite blogs below so I and the rest of our viewers can also look through them. Now back on Moneypantry. The blog post contains so many websites that are willing to pay you for every blog post. The earning potential is limitless because you can find many different websites and make multiple streams of income. As I said earlier, this website is very organized. Actually, even the blog post itself is organized. So if you scroll down and skim through the blog, you will see that it is categorized into what types of articles the blog sites are looking for. So for example, there are those about vacation and travel. Then there are also websites for general interest. There's also sites for short stories and many more. You are free to look ahead and see which ones you like best if you want. But I genuinely suggest you stick with me and choose among the general interest category. This is important if you want to make cash, because this is the category that will yield the most amount of money due to its broad nature. If you look at the first example, Vibrant Life, they offer from $100 up to $300 for every blog post. Go on ahead and click the link that you will be redirected to vibrantlife.com, specifically on the page about the guidelines for writers who are seeking to submit their blog posts. Before that, let's take a look at Vibrant Life first. The blog is actually a lifestyle magazine that focuses on health in all aspects, be it from physical, mental, and spiritual, from a Christian perspective. According to their website, the blog articles should be written in an informal style. It must be easy to read and must avoid difficult medical jargon that is hard to understand. Vibrant Life also specifies that readability is a must in their articles. If you are not really into writing, this won't mean much to you. And that's okay, because I will show you a strategy where you don't have to worry about the technicalities of writing. But before we move on to submitting an article, I have a simple survey for you, my dear viewers. Which country are you from? Can you comment down below your countries along with an emoji of your flag? I'm taking a look at how many people watch my videos from that specific country, so that I may be able to tailor fit my strategies in the coming videos for you. So if you can help me out, I'd appreciate that very much. So moving on to writing the actual articles, you're basically going to copy and paste from various sites, but you won't be plagiarizing them. Now, how do you do this? First, I want you to go to Quora.com. If you're not familiar with Quora, it is a place where users can start and participate in forums about general interests. As you can see, this is perfect for writing general interest articles. If you open and expand a forum, they will automatically give you the best answer, and that will be pinned at the very top of the forum. So I want you to copy and paste some bits and pieces of answers from the forum so that you can come up with a really good and comprehensive article that tackles all of the necessary points. The key here is to look for different posts and different answers so that you can tweak them and alter them according to your needs. A bonus tip I can give you is to go and use spinbot.com. Spinbot is an artificially intelligent software that is grammatically accurate. Basically, it paraphrases your text for you. All you need to do is enter the text and wait for a few seconds. Then, Spinbot will do all the work for you. That's my bonus tip for today. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.